Marhaba, Miss JJ's awesome 6th grade class. How are you, my students? I hope you're doing good. So this is the second lesson of الطعام الصحي, which will include additional vocabulary words and activities. So sit down, relax, get your daftar and your qalam, and let's start taking notes. So just as a reminder, we are talking about الطعام الصحي, healthy food. This is the first slide we looked at last week, and let's see what we have to do. Learning targets did not change. You're going to be able to give examples of your food groups in your plate. You'll be able to express likes and dislikes, ask simple questions, respond to questions by نعم أو لا, and use the verbs آكل for I eat and أشرب for I drink. We've been tracking our progress, and we all started with novice. So I'm hoping we are now on apprentice, and I know many of my awesome 6th graders are on expert. But the new vocabulary word we're going to look at, of course, we will all begin at the novice level. This is your healthy food key word starters. Again, food is طعام, healthy is صحي, I like أحب, I do not like لا أحب, I eat آكل, and yes is نعم, no is لا. The question, do you like, is هل تحب. All right, boys and girls, you have it already in your Arabic daftar. So let's go ahead and see what we have next. So, boys and girls, this is what we will be covering today and in lesson 2. All right, so what do we have here? What do we have here? A beautiful basket full of fruits. Baskets full of healthy fruits. So, fruits in Arabic is الفاكهة. 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 And I know many of you who are not new to Amana already covered الموز, فراولة, البرتقال, والعنب, right? So this is الفاكهة. الفاكهة. Next we have الخضار. 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 Vegetables. We have طماطم, we have توم, بصل, جزر, celery, ملفوف. So those vegetables in Arabic is الخضار. الخضار. So what is your favorite vegetable here from the slide? Me too. I like ملفوف and طماطم. And let's go back to the beautiful basket. What's your favorite فاكهة from this basket? Yeah, me too. I like عنب. أحب العنب والبرتقال. أحب العنب والبرتقال. أحب الطماطم والملفوف. الخضار. Next, we will be talking about the groups in our healthy food. The first group is called al-proteen. Remember, al-proteen in English is in Arabic is the same as in English. Al-proteen. So, boys and girls, meat, samak, fish, these are all part of al-protein diet. Okay. هل تحب السمك? Do you like fish? هل تحب اللبن؟ اللبن sorry. هل تحب اللحمة؟ وهل this is دجاج chicken. هل تحب الدجاج؟ نعم أحب الدجاج، أحب السمك، وأحب اللحمة. All right. So this is an individual slide for السمك. So what is السمك again? Fish. السمك is fish. السمك. And this is اللحم. Yummy, yummy. This looks delicious. Those ribs. اللحم. اللحم. And here we have الدجاج. الدجاج. Chicken. So boys and girls, can you remind me again what group of food this is? الدجاج. اللحم. السمك. You got it. This is the protein group. Oh yeah, and here we have also البيض. Eggs. البيض. هل تحب البيض؟ أحب البيض كثيرا. أحب البيض كثيرا. Now here we have the second group of our healthy foods. The second group is the grains group. Al-Khubz. Bread. Al-Khubz. So bread is part of the grain groups. Al-Khubz. Who can tell me what kind of bread this is? Is this a bagel? No. Is this a toast? لا. This is pita bread. هذا خبز البيتا. Pita bread. ممتاز. And here we are looking at our third healthy food group. And this is the dairy group. The dairy group. That has al-jubna for cheese, halib for milk, and laban for yogurt. I like all these three items, foods in the dairy group. Jubna, halib, walaban. What's your favorite jubna, boys and girls? What's your favorite jubna? I like أحب السويس. جبنة السويس. أحب جبنة السويس. All right. So that was our third group, which is the dairy group. Now, boys and girls, let's review. This is our keywords. Again, food is طعام. Healthy is صحي. Fruits is فاكهة. Vegetables is خضار. And fish is سمك. All right. The next slide talks about, the rest of the keywords. Meat for لحم. Chicken for دجاج. Bread for خبز. And eggs for بيض. Also we have yogurt for laban, milk for حليب, cheese for جبنة, I drink for أشرب. So this is what I'm going to ask you to do, boys and girls. I am going to go back to my keywords, and please bring your Arabic daftar, and I want you to write this table on your Arabic daftar. Healthy food or the groups of food. So when you reach this slide, press stop and write this slide in your daftar. Then press, go or play to reach the second keywords list. Press, stop to write it down, then play to look at the third keywords list. All right? Good job, boys and girls. Good job. All right, Miss JJ's awesome sixth graders. So now we're going to look at another category, and we are going to write down new vocabulary words. What is this? What do you see here? Wow, this is olive oil. Olive oil. And let me tell you what it is in Arabic. Olive is zaytun and oil is zayt. Olive oil. Zayt al-zaytun. See, boys and girls, it is not written in transliteration on the slide on purpose because I want you to hear me and write what you hear for transliteration. So this is zayt al-zaytun. Zayt al-zaytun. So zayt is oil and al-zaytun is olives. And we all know that olive oil comes from olives. Again, zayt al-zaytun. In our traditional cuisine, remember I come from Lebanon, we use a lot of olive oil, and this is very healthy. For example, over hummus, over labna. Can you tell me how you use zayt al-zaytun on your plates or dishes? I like that. I'm going to use it myself and try it. Thank you, shukran. And this is also al-tamr. Al-tamr is dates. Al-tamr is a fruit that is extremely beneficial, and it only grows in the Arab countries. Al-tamr. Also write the transliteration down. Al-tamr. Al-tamr. Dates. Next we have al-hubub. Al-hubub. Al-hubub, as you can see here on the picture, it's all type of grains. So it's al-hubub, grains. And here we have, I know you know this, it's al-ma'. Al-ma', water. Al-ma', water. And العصير العصير العصير. هل تحب العصير؟ نعم أحب العصير. I like juice. And حليب. So what do we mainly eat with حليب for breakfast? Cereal. All right, cereal and حليب. حليب is milk. الحليب. الحليب. And this is الزبادي. الزبادي is another word for laban. This is yogurt. So you can either say laban or الزبادي. Okay, they both work for yogurt. Laban or al-zabadi. So boys and girls, I hope you really enjoyed this lesson on طعام صحي. I have prepared for you very nice activities that I will share with you on Google Classroom. All right, we have lots of activities and exercises for the الطعام الصحي. مع السلامة.